Thank you very much for your answer. Proof of the pudding is in the eating. So what we do is we simply press run, and we press run again. And we see we get an assertion error, and indeed it is the postcondition of square root that has failed. So the correct answer is third option, square root postcondition fails. So we saw that the postcondition of square root, namely squaring the square root equals the original value, fails. This is weird because all we do is we invoke the standard square root function of Python. Does this mean the Python square root function is wrong? And now finally, through systematic random testing, we found a bug. Let me show you what's actually going on in here.